When travel agents join cruise planners, they quickly evolve into competitive travel professionals with innovative marketing, cutting-edge booking, and lead-generating tools, as well as top-notch professional development. The Cruise Planners team uses a hands-on training approach with the industry's top executives, and as an American Express travel representative, travel agents gain instant credibility. Named the #1 travel franchise by entrepreneurs 17 years in a row. An affiliation with American Express Travel provides your business with instant credibility and access to several exclusive benefit programs. Industry-leading technology that lets you work from anywhere includes robust CRM and booking systems, agent and client-facing mobile apps, email automation programs, and compatibility with Amazon Alexa. Award-winning marketing to attract new customers includes direct mail programs, email and social media, a magazine, and on-demand printing. We provide comprehensive training and ongoing one-on-one business development coaching to help you grow your business. And unlike some other hosts, our home office does not sell travel. We are here to support you, not compete against you. Sales continue to rise, increasing 19% year over year. For more information on owning the best travel franchise, please visit cruiseplannersfranchise.com. For more information, visit findahosttravelagency.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and post a comment. Also, if you would like to know when we post more video tutorials, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our 2020 Top Host Agency video.